There are two teams sided. The Indian League has started. There are two teams sided against one another. There are three players in one team. It is called Sabadu team, and the second team is called So the game is started increasing its pace, and now the players are fixing their position. They are taking positions now, and now they are discussing strategy. Mr. Anand, the key player of the team, wow, what a shot! And one spin has gone away, and now it's the turn of the other team. And that was a splendid shot, and two pins flew away. And now they are gearing up for the second battle. There is interest overflowing from the players. They are enjoying the game like anything. And Mr. Prakash's seriousness was on his face. And there is some serious strategy discussion going on here. And some stupid fellow has shown hands in front of the camera. And he is obstructing the game. Our shot! Now Mr. Solana is taking position. Oh, that was There is some kind of cheating going on here. Solana is gearing up, and both the pins have fallen down. And now there is a serious battle enraging between the two teams. They are exchanging pins. They are optimizing their pins for better performance. Radio partner, Radio Michi. Sony Ericsson. And Srikanth is discussing some wonderful strategy. And Dhanapal is gearing up with a stupid long nail in his middle finger. And that was a wonderful shot. Both the pins have fallen down. I don't know what else to say because I'm not aware of the rules of this game. Let them do whatever they want. And these people are seriously close on fight. And the position, the pen is taking a different position now. And Srikanth is thinking of a master plan, and he has made a superb move. Now Prakash is taking guard. Dhanapal is doing. Dhanapal is gearing for a wonderful shot, and it has fallen down. He has won, and Dhanapal has lost now. No, that was a good shot. One pin just away from the table. And Rajesh and Srikanth are playing seriously, and that is a wonderful shot.